What is a commission agreement?
A commission is a fee charged by the broker in return for handling the purchase or sale of a property. Most brokerages derive their profits entirely off of commissions charged to their clients for their service. Commission amounts will vary from brokerage to brokerage, but usually stay competitive to the average commission in their area. It is important to note that there is a difference between a commission-based brokerage and a flat fee-based brokerage. A flat fee-based brokerage will charge a set amount to all clients, no matter the value of the transaction, while a commission-based brokerage will charge a percentage price of the overall transaction, which means a broker who charges by commission and wishes to increase his income can do so by selling higher value properties. Often, a client will think that they can negotiate the commission at the time of closing. However, they cannot, because the agreement made between the brokerage and the client is contractual. The commission will be specified in the listing agreement, the property management agreement, and the buyer's agreement, which will be signed by both parties before any transaction can be made. Let's look at a quick example of how a commission-based transaction would look. This is Jeff. He wants to sell his home so he can go buy a boat and sail the 7 seas. Well, at least the Gulf Coast for a while. He has asked Mary to represent him as his brokerage, and Mary has agreed to help Jeff list his home and sell it, as long as Jeff agrees to pay her a 7% commission. Jeff is ready to go, so he signs the listing agreement with Mary, and once Jeff's home was sold, Mary was paid her 7% commission and Jeff was off to get his sea legs. We won't tell him that the brokerage down the street only charges 6%. Bon voyage, Jeff! That is commission agreements.